Kabayan, good morning! Ayan, so by now, andito tayo sa Club Laia showroom ng Spinnaker Scale Model. Okay, so located tayo sa Club Laia Beach Club, which is, by now, ito yon dito siya located. Pero dahil nasa scale model siya, they replace it with floor plan ng 6th and 7th floor. Okay, pero just to view, para ma-visualize mo, so your 8th floor balcony sa studio unit, tingin ka lang, di ba? That will be your beach club. Balikan natin yung highlight na yan. But in the meantime, ano muna tayo? Punta muna tayo dito sa harapan, okay? Of course, syempre, ang $1,000,000 view natin will be yung ocean, di ba? Sigayan Bay. So this is an oceanfront development. Beachfront, literal. Sige, umpisa muna natin dito sa Eastern Park. So that is a beach club. That is open for guests and public, no? So again, ang maganda dito kasi ang land ko, this is part of the beach town, created somehow na magkaroon ng di ba, ng mga created demand, magpuntahan sila, food traffic. So by the time na na-experience it, makikita nila, meron din kayo available dito. That really helps yung mga investors natin, especially if they're they're into rental business then, okay? So yun ang pinag-iisipan mo, di ba? Kung if you go to rental tirhan, ang maganda dito, optional, no? Hindi katulad ng mga ibang ino-offer na talagang you have to be there for 10 years, hindi mo magagamit, talagang you have to enroll it sa condotel. Ito hindi, optional yung condotel mo. Okay, so from the beach, there's along the shore, this is Captain Barbosa, mga barbecue. So masarap dito yung fall of the rib na kanyang ng highlight nito from the rib shack, yun. Barbecue rib shop. And of course, yung beach natin, white sand ng Laia. Okay? Laia Beach, no? In part ng San Juan. Now, ang highlight natin dito, all you have to do is steps away, lakad lang. From your condo unit to the beach. So, ito yung maganda natin. So, from the ground floor, by now, baka may kilala tayo, ha? Kaya ginawan kita nito. Punta tayo ng Codico, 278 square meters na resto bar, lifestyle resto bar, wherein may merch, no? Sipin mo para mga Hard Rock Cafe, yung ganung type. May mga merch, bar, wow, syempre, no? With this kind of mga guests natin. So that is almost 110 million. Meron din ditong retail store na 68 square meters na sa 28 million. So, second floor will be mga amenities, no? Second floor, function room, meeting room. Third floor will be yung speakeasy and golf simulator. And on the fifth, walang fourth, will be yung fitness, gym, and spa. So, ito talaga, no? While doing treadmill, no? Nakaharap ka na doon sa $1,000,000 view natin, which is the ocean view. So, hindi mo na kailangan, like sa city condo, we have to replicate yung ganong experience, nagti-treadmill ka. And of course, sa 6th floor natin, ito yung infinity pool, looking doon sa ating condo, looking doon sa beach. And may lounge area na rin siya, of course, deck, wow. It is really an experience. Ang maganda dito, south to, so hindi ganun kainit. This is west, yun yung east. So ganyan lang yung araw, no? Hindi tutok. So talaga may enjoy mo. Okay. Now, balik naman tayo ulit, no? Dito sa unit natin. No? Most of the unit, ito yung good news sa atin. 36 square meters na studio units are located here. This is the east side. Morning sun siya, number 1. What is the reason? First, morning siya. Second, ang ganda view. May view pa rin tayo ng ocean view, the $1,000,000 view. And third, of course, andito yung beach club ng Club Laia. So may pool din siya. So imagine, you're facing amenities. Yung all waters ang view natin. And somehow, meron ditong, on this side is the hill, mga 40 meters high. 40 meters, siguro mga 10-story high, mga ganitong kataas. Ang ganda rin siya. And ito yung corner natin na may wrap-around balcony. These are 2-bedroom units. So, perfect na perfect, kabayan. Congratulations. So, ito yung scale model natin. So, pwede natin papuntahin. Pero of course, all you have to do is to share this. So, ito na yung congratulations. Ito na yung studio unit mo. Again, pwede mo munang tirhan. Or later on, enroll natin sa condotel program ng Landco, na tinawag nila Landco Lifestyle Company, the LLV. Lakas maka-LV, di ba? Okay, so Congratulations! Yun lang!